Happy New Year. Happy New You. You ready to get the results you want this year? Yeah, resolutions don't work. So, what if you could focus on the results as if you already had them? What if you're becoming in the process? What if you could guide yourself with peace this year instead of pressure as your fuel? You in? So I've been doing vision planning classes. I just got back from Texas a couple nights ago where I did 4 vision planning events. It was so powerful doing this with the different people that were able to attend, and the feedback was so good. And so as I pondered the next video, I had the clear thought that I wanted to walk you through the different steps of this. So it'll be broken up into different YouTube videos because I know you don't want to hear me talk for hours. Because our events were 2 hours long. I mean, we helped each other. We learned, we grew, we experienced different things, which was so powerful. My name is Wendolyn Davis. I love doing these videos to help you become a better version of yourself. I'm all about healthy mind, healthy heart, healthy relationships. It's so powerful when we learn we have everything within us to become the version of us, and that we can get off the autopilot and we can turn down the volume on all this negative chatter that keeps us stuck and blocks us from becoming who we were meant to be. So we're going to do the first 2 parts of this. But first, I want you to understand the power of your words. So for example, if you wake up and say, "Oh, I have to do all this stuff today." How's your day going to go? How excited are you? How motivated are you? Or if you woke up and said, "Oh yeah, this is what I'm choosing to do today. Let's go." Do you notice the difference in how you feel? One, you feel more empowered. The other, not so much. So there is power in our words. They're affecting our emotions. Our emotions are affecting what we do or what we don't do. So let's start with your mission statement. What's your purpose? We all have a purpose for why we're here. One of the ladies I worked with yesterday, she said, "The purpose of my life is to obtain happiness and joy. I take responsibility for my actions and who I want to be." That's where the work comes. It's on taking responsibility for our actions and who we are and who we want to be. So my mission statement, the purpose of my life is to be a light, enjoy the journey, and love myself and others. And I added, who I am being is more powerful than what I am doing. So I'm so excited about this. And this is something, when we get it all together, we want to read it every day if possible. If not, 5 days is better than nothing. But we do want to start reading this. It needs to be in a place when we can see it. We need to say it out loud. What you speak comes back to your ear and into your heart. In order for you to become the version of you that you want and to have the results in your life, you need to be saying it, seeing it, and doing it. So that will help you with aligning your actions with what you're choosing to do, because there's so many distractions in our world today. But if you know your purpose, you're more focused and you can say no to this and yes to this and discover more who you are. The other one is at the bottom. This is my new primary question. So we all have something that we're telling ourselves over and over, and it's not very effective. It's not very helpful. So I used to say, how come I can never get everything accomplished that I want today? So instead of that, last year, I said, how can I appreciate and celebrate what I accomplished? So that made a difference in how I felt at the end of the day. This year, I don't have it memorized yet. This year, I'm going to say, what can I do today to follow Christ, to still waters, and open myself to his guidance? Because this is what I want more of. I want to be more calm and to hear more of the Holy Spirit. So here's another example. One of the clients, she has limitations in her body. And sometimes she wakes up and she tells herself, "Oh, I feel so weak today." Well, how do you think she's going to show up the whole day? So instead, she wants to feel empowered. So instead of saying, "Oh, I feel so weak today," she's going to say, "How can I feel empowered and strong today?" And that's going to look different for every single day, depending on her body. But choosing to see that you can still do something and say, "Hey, how can I feel empowered and strong today?" makes us feel a lot better then, oh, I feel so weak today. So, what are you telling yourself? Remember, your brain finds evidence for what you're thinking. So, simply finding something positive that you can say is going to help you get the positive results that you desire. One of the ladies I was just working with before my lunch break, she was saying how she's not motivated to exercise and she knows she needs to get that strength training in, but she just doesn't love it. And so instead of saying, oh, I don't really want to do this today, or I don't love this, she's going to say, what can I do today to get some movement in that will strengthen my body? And she left that call all pumped up and excited about the year. And we also talked about this, but we'll do that in another video. Okay. So simply changing what you have been telling yourself that hasn't been very positive, flipping it to what is possible. Hey, how can I make this happen today? Will change your day. So here's two components of this vision for 2026 that will help you in getting the results that you want for your year of becoming your best self and kicking butt and doing all this stuff. Remember to email me if you want this PDF. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.